When you're on the courses page, you can find courses in a few different ways. First of all, the beauty of Jazzedge is that you're not overwhelmed with courses. There is a ton of material. You could see, 6 hours in this course, 7 hours in that course. So you have no shortage of material, but you're not overwhelmed with, hundreds and hundreds of courses. So the best way to get started is choose your track up here. So your track you can think of as this is what I'm interested in learning. So if you're interested in, say, accompanying yourself, all right, well, click on accompaniment. And then it's going to show you the courses that are going to be best for accompaniment. So piano accompaniment mini essentials or the super simple standards mini course, right? Those two would be great for accompaniment. You can also choose by level. So if you're a more intermediate level, then go ahead and choose your level intermediate, and it's going to show you all of our intermediate level courses. Now I want to show you that we have a bunch of courses for beginners. You just saw intermediate, and we also have a bunch of courses for advanced level players as well. And you'll see that on the main course page, everything is color coded, right? So you see it says beginner here, and you see it's kind of like that darker color, intermediate, a little bit more yellowish orange in there. Advanced, it has more of that like reddish color in there, right? So it makes it very easy from here to be able to see exactly what level the course is. Of course, you can also come in here and do a search for something within the course. So let's try doing a search for dominant. Right, I click in there, and then now you can see, okay, intermediate chords, I can get in here, dominant, right, in here, right, and then these are the different courses that are going to have that word in it, all right? So courses, very simple to navigate around. If you want to just, clear out any filters you have, you can just click over here and click on all courses, and it's going to take you back to the all courses page, right? So, and of course, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us.